Hi there, this is our basic low impact cardio. We're going to get your heart rate up while keeping the exercises all pretty low impact. Our first move is really simple, basic side step, just stepping from side to side. You can stay upright while you step, or you can get a little bit lower to engage the front of the legs a little bit more. The bigger the movements, the harder your heart is working. So get those movements really big and let's make this a great cardio workout. Now this is the time where you get to recover, and for our recovery time this time we're going to do high knees. But just a marching high knees, because remember this is lower impact exercise. Our next exercise is one of my favorite. We're going to do a high knee pull. Remember those big movements really gets your circulation going, gets your heart rate up. But this is all about working to your own ability level. So if you're not quite ready for those big movements, just make the movements a little smaller. It's okay. You get to choose. Into that recovery march. Because we were just doing high knees, this march is going to just keep the legs nice and low, but let's do big arm movements. Remember, for recovery you can just stop if that's what feels best for you, or you can hydrate. Modified jumping jacks is next. Feet are together, arms are together. You're going to step out and back in. Out and back in. This is great because our modified jack eventually progresses into half jacks and then full jacks, because it's about taking it one step at a time, starting with simple low impact moves and then building up from there. And so this is just really learn your form, out and in. Time for a little recovery. Again, if you want to keep your heart rate nice and steady, just go ahead and get those knees up high. Big arm movements, remembering to breathe, catch your breath. Now our heel tap backs are great for working on your balance, but also they work the muscles in the back of the legs called the hamstrings. They're one of the biggest muscles in the body, going right from your glutes all the way down to your knees. And so this exercise really engages the back of the body. And the good thing is you're working your arms at the same time. Keep it going, remember to breathe. You can add a little hop in your step right here as well. Recovery march. Knees are up, really drive the arms. Great job. Now for this exercise, we're getting on the move. We step forward and we jog it back. Big step forward, jog it back. Getting a little bit more dynamic. Still pretty low impact, but you're starting to pick up the pace a little, making that cardio workout a little bit more challenging. If you're not ready for the jog back, you can just step forward and step back, or try stay with me. Our active recovery. March it out. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth. Letting your heart rate slowly come back down. Keep it going. That's your low impact cardio done. I hope you feel great, and I hope you come back and do it again.